All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've got the Shark once again navigator. I'm not sure what we're navigating, but we will swivel and steer the shit out of this carpet, of which my kids have absolutely destroyed. So I've tried to clear off as much deck space as I could and get everything up off the floor for you guys to enjoy. All right, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And now I'm gonna actually try using the hose attachment, but you have to give me a minute while I figure out how the hell to get this thing apart. All right, guys, I got this thing apart and it is a beast. So this is what I'm gonna try doing. I'm gonna take this handy dandy, I'm gonna go with carpet scrubber. I'm gonna use this on the underside of my desk where it seems like all the best bits and pieces, Ritz crackers, parts of my chair, which is still shedding. Must be that time of the year. I'm gonna use that to get up underneath of all of this. So let's try and hook this thing up real quick. I feel like a damn Ghostbuster right now. And let's give it a shot and see how well it works. See, this thing not swiveling the way I need it to means I don't have a whole lot of flexibility with this. Still gonna give it a shot though. that is that. I'd say she did pretty good, seeing as we are jam-packed with all kinds of nastiness. And just to avoid future bronchitis or anything along those lines, I'm not going to be dumping it out this time. So maybe see me on my next video if I just happen to do one. See you guys.